In front of me is XIAOMI 13T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Now select Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Following that, tap on Theme section and scroll all the way down. Now you can click on those icons at the top right corners to see all available themes. Then select the best one for you by clicking on it. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher, and when you're ready, hit apply at the bottom right corner. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it instead, just go back to the same settings, but this time click on this plus icon under my themes. Then tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then click on Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I do that and go back again, I can see that this time theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!